Essay on Child Rights. Child rights are fundamental entitlements that every child deserves to ensure their well-being, growth, and development. These rights are ensured in various international agreements and conventions, emphasizing the needs of societies to protect and nurture their youngest member. This essay delves into the significance of child rights and highlight the collective responsibility we bear in upholding the right to survival and development. The first and more foremost right of a children is the right of live in a conduct environment for healthy development. This encompasses access to nutrients, clean water, healthcare, and a safe living environment. It is imperative that society ensure these necessities are readily available to every child irrespective of their background or right to education. Education is a powerful tool of empowering children and enabling them to realize their full potential. Every child has the right to quality education. This is inclusive, accessible, and free from discrimination. Government and communities must work together to eliminate barriers to education such as poverty, gender bias, etc. Right to participation. Children have the right to express their opinion and be heard in the matter that concern them. Their perspectives should be valued and considered in decisions affecting their lives. Within age appropriate context, encouraging active participation not only foster a sin. Conclusion. Upholding child right is a collective endeavor that involves governments, communities, families, and individuals. It is our shared responsibilities to create an environment where every child can thrive irrespective of their circumstances. By safeguarding their rights to survival, education, protection, participation, and support, we contribute to a future where child grow up to be responsible, empowered, and productive member of society. Let us all commit to championing and protecting the rights of children, for they are the architects of brighter tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe.